turn signal, four-way flasher, amber in the front, red in the back, headlights securely mounted, clean, no crack, working order. Windshield clean, no crack, no illegal sticker, always clean. Windshield wiper, rubber soft, proper tension, working in order. Open the hood. Under the tractor, no oil, fuel, coolant, no leaking, nothing hanging down. Tractor unit, no leaning if leaning, tire issue or suspension problem. Right side of the tractor. Exhaust system, exhaust pipe, well attached with the muffler, no dent or bend, no leaking. If leaking, IC suit. Turbo, securely attached, nut bolt tight, no dent or bend, clamps are tight. If loose, IC suit. Windshield water reservoir, cap is tight, should be on level, no leaking, securely attached. Radiator reservoir, cap is tight, coolant on level, no leaking, securely attached. All hoses, no bulging, no leaking, no crack, clamps are tight. Water pump, securely attached, belt driven, nut bolt tight, no dent or bend, no leaking. All belts, no crack, no frizz, not more than not 3/4 inch plate. Go to the left side of the tractor. Dipstick, I pull dipstick, clean, put back, then recheck, is in full mark, if not, add by the gallon. Air compressor. Gear driven, well attached, no crack, no leaking. Air lines, no bulging, no crack, no leaking. Power steering pump, gear driven, securely attached, no crack, no leaking. Power steering hoses, well routed, no crack, no bulging, no leaking. Power steering reservoirs, securely mounted, no crack, no leaking, should be in full mark, cap is tight. Alternator, all wires are tight, well attached, belt driven. Frame, no crack, no welded, no legal holes. Spring mounts from both sides well attached to the frame, no crack, nut bolt tight. Leaf spring not more than 25% of crack, missing or shifted. U-bolts well attached with the 4 nuts, nut bolt tight. Shock absorber were attached, no leaking, no dent or bend. Steering column, no crack, no bend. Steering universal joints well lubricated. Steering gearbox securely attached with the frame, nut bolt tight, no leaking. Fitment arm, drag link, steering arm, tie rod. Well attached with the caster nuts, all cotter pin in place, no dent or bend, all joints are well lubricated. Brake chamber, securely mounted, no dent or bend, clamps are tight, no leaking. Air lines to brake chambers from both sides, securely attached, no leaking, no bulging. Slack adjuster, securely mounted, no broken, no loose or missing parts, all cotter pin in place. When I pull slack adjuster by my hand, not move more than 1 inch from brake chamber, pushed on, no dent or bend. Inner axle seal. No leaking, if leaking, oil and grease will come on the brakes. Brake lining, not less than 1/4 of thickness. Brake drum, no crack, no illegal welding. Tire rim, no crack, no vent, no illegal welding. Tire ICD. I for inflation, I check tire air pressure with my tire gauge. It should be between 100 to 110 psi in all my tire. Condition, tires evenly worn, no cut or other damage to sidewall. The depth, not less than 4/32 of inch. No recaps and mismatched tires on the steers. All the 10 lug nuts are tight. If loose, I see shining spot on aluminum, rust on steel. Bolt holes are not distorted or cracked. Hub, well attached, no crack, no leak, nuts are tight. Wash them. Steel with steel cap, no leaking. I check air with my tire gauge in all my tires.